Today I will be showing you how to access your Teams folder. The district has gone to Teams to use for dropping everything that you'll need for your ELA and math blocks. While you're online in your email, you can select the waffle, and Teams is here in your app drawer. Any team that you have been added to will appear in your Teams drive. This particular drive is for math, and this team is for math, and this team is for ELA. If you're a part of the Great Falls family, then you will also have your Great Falls staff folder. If you select the math and go to File, you will see everything that you need for the year. You have pacing, Kagan strategies, expectations, any walkthrough form that will be used during observations in your classroom, summer calendars that the math coaches will pass out at the end of every school year, calendar math information and resources by grade level. You also have your unpacking document and your math support document, any RTI resources you might need, NWEA, SC Ready, guided math resources, Number Talks PowerPoints. You will select by grade level, and it already has your Number Talk PowerPoints available for you. You can select Number Talks or General File, and it will take you back to the original files that you need. There are pictures that have been uploaded. Here's the first 10 days for first grade, the first 5 days for second grade through fifth grade, first 10 days for kindergarten, the entire math framework. Let's visit your pacing guide. I want to draw your attention to the top of the pacing guide page for your grade level. Number Talks pacing is at the top. Number Talks, and it tells you which particular title for Number Talks you need to find. So right now at the beginning of the year, fifth grade should be learning compensation landmark numbers. So if I head back over to my files and I go to the Number Talk folder and select fifth grade, I just look for compensation landmark numbers, and then I select it, and that's where I start for the school year. If you've been browsing the teams within math or ELA, you may have noticed the PLC groups to the side. Whatever grade level you teach, if you select that grade level, you'll find folders and information and files that pertain to your grade level that will help as a resource.